Hi guys, the holiday season is finally here and I've put together a few African inspired gifts for your holiday gift giving this year. I'm so excited to have made this video and I hope you enjoy it. I will put all the listing of all the items in the description box below. So without waiting any longer, let's get into it. The first product that I want to talk about is Nokware Skincare, and this is a product that was created by two African ladies, one from Botswana and one from Ghana. Nokware means truth in the tree language in Ghana, and everything about this product is true. It's 100% organic, the packaging is ecologically friendly, and completely sustainable. I love this brand. Now, this is my favorite of all the products in the brand and the range. This is the whipped shea butter, and I have the scent in avocado and almond, and it is absolutely intoxicating. When I rub it on my skin, it feels silky and it doesn't leave me feeling like I'm all greased up. So it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels perfect on my skin. And again, like I told you, I love the smell. Now, these products will arrive if you order them via their website. It will arrive to the United States in about 7 business days or so. So this is the perfect time for you to order for Christmas. Now, Nokware does also make African black soap, and they have different types of black soap. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I live and I breathe African black soap. So they have different ones. I love that they come in these these ecologically friendly calabashes. They're so cute. They're about $7 a piece and they're absolutely perfect. Now, shipping for these products is about $19 for 2 kilograms, and that's about 4.5 pounds. So order now for your Christmas gift giving. This next gift idea is a recipe box. All I've taken is this recipe box that I purchased from Cost Plus World Market. I took an index card and I've written the ingredients on the front of the card and then the method for how to cook on the back of the card. And you can use multiple cards and staple them together for one recipe if you need to. This is an important gift because, there are some times when you have young people who are moving away from home. They don't quite know the recipes that you make, your delicious cooking. So this is a good way to send them off with something that, will be treasured for life. This next gift is for somebody who really likes to entertain at home. I got this really big bowl from Sur La Table, and it can work as a salad bowl, a punch bowl, any type of any kind of a social event that somebody wants to do in their home. I found this really pretty wax print fabric at my local fabric shop. I love it because it had a little bit of gold in it. It's very pretty and it can work as a tablecloth. Now, these Bundtlettes here I used in my video for how to make Ghanaian rock buns, and these are awesome because they have these deep grooves and they really give really nice detailed pastries. They're made of cast iron, so they will last for a lifetime. So I'm going to include that in my gift bowl here, and you can add anything to this gift. You can add a cookbook, oven mitts, whatever you can find that's African inspired, go ahead and add it. I'm also going to add a cleaning brush for that baking pan because you saw that the grooves in there were so deep. So it's important to have something that will help to clean it out really easily. I also bought these salad servers from Ghana while I was visiting this year, and I love the details on them and I love the wood. It's absolutely pretty. So have at it. You can just fill this up with whatever you like. For the makeup lovers, this is Juvia's Place. It was created by a Nigerian entrepreneur. You can go to the Juvia's Place website to learn more about her. What I love about these palettes is that each of the colors complement my dark skin tone. It's difficult to find palettes where all the colors complement my dark complexion. Also, the price points for these are great. They're about $20 or less for each palette. They make a great Christmas gift or a stocking stuffer. Let's talk about books for children. The first book I want to talk about is Kwajo and the Brassman Secret by Ghanaian author Mishak Asari. It's a book about a young Ghanaian boy who's transported back in time to learn about the cultural and historical significance of brass carvings that were made in Ghana many years ago. It's a beautiful book and it's very well illustrated. This beautifully illustrated book is Chicken in the Kitchen by Nigerian-American author Inedi Okafor. This is a cute book about a young girl who's trying to save her family's Yam Festival meal from a chicken that's loose in her kitchen. So I think that you'll enjoy this book. It's absolutely beautiful. It's so well illustrated, and it can be found on Amazon. This next set of books are The Adventures of Obi and Titi. They're written by Nigerian author Oyemi Bego. And this is a 6-part series. So these are a series of 6 books for kids, I would say between 8 and 10 years old. And it's about 2 children who are growing up in West Africa, and they discover the lost kingdom of Benin. They have a series of adventures throughout each novel. This is a great book for adults and children alike. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you will know that my last recommendation is going to be adult literature. Of course, books, and more books are always my recommendation for your loved ones and your friends. So here I have a short stack of books written by African authors. I highly recommend these. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch older videos of book reviews. You can also go over to africanbookaddict.com, and she's got a great listing of books written by African authors. I absolutely love her site, and she's got great reviews there. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed making it. If you've enjoyed it, or if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe. Merry Christmas. Until next time, bye-bye.